I rebuilt the stepper motor slider due to noise issues. This small slider is made of aluminum, so there's a gap between the bearing and the body. So I rebuilt it using the slider designed for the needle slider. I built the frame with Jenga blocks and mounted the motor on the slider. It was possible because the hole spacing of the slider matched that of the stepper motor. After installation, there was no vibration as I had feared, and both noise and accuracy improved. One thing to note is that the stepper motor mounting bolts are too short, so longer bolts are needed.